Hello there. My name is Sirona, I am your new companion. Today I will show you how to use your Sirona TV. Meet Sirona TV. Although I show through your TV, I am available to you even when your TV is off. Sirona TV has a camera so you can talk with your family who use their smartphones. Sirona TV has a speaker and a microphone so I can talk to you even when the TV is off. I would like you to meet the Sirona remote. Please review your remote control for the following buttons: the power button, the home button, the HDMI switch button, the navigation buttons, left, right, up, and down, OK button, back button, volume up and volume down, Sirona assist and call button. Now let's review the use of these buttons in detail. This is the home button. Press the home button at any time to return to your home screen. This is the HDMI switch button. Pressing the HDMI switch in some models switches your TV to an external device. If no external device is connected, this button is ignored. This is the Sirona assist and call button. TV can be on or off. To use this button, use the Sirona assist and call button to call me or to send an alert. Press the button once, wait for me to show up on TV or until you hear a ding sound on the speaker. Then you can say your request. To send an alert to your provider, press this button for longer than 2 seconds. More on this later. These are the navigation buttons. Click these buttons to navigate through the different apps. This is the OK button. Use the OK button to select the app you want to start or to select an option. When inside an app, use the arrow keys to navigate within the app. This is the back button. Press the back button to return to the previous screen. These are the volume buttons. In addition to your TV, you can also control volume using these buttons. Now let me introduce you to some apps on Sirona TV. Each of this icon you see on your TV is called an app, which is short for application. The apps you see on your TV may vary from this video. Here are some apps you will find on your Sirona TV. If an app is missing, ask your provider. My Community app. Navigate to the My Community app to learn about the community you live in. In the My Community app, you will find the daily activities, dining menus, and your community pictures. Talk to your provider if your community album is empty. The Infotainment app. This infotainment app contains videos for information and entertainment. Use your remote to navigate through the different topics. If your favorite topic, video or language is missing, please ask your provider. We will get them on your Sirona TV shortly. The YouTube Fresh app. This YouTube Fresh app contains topics or current interest, such as news, entertainment. These videos are updated on a daily basis. So, check out what's new on YouTube Fresh every day. The Family Album app. The Family app allows your loved ones to upload your old and current pictures in multiple albums. Ask your provider to set you up, so your family can upload pictures. There are a lot more apps, games, digital directory, weather. Explore the apps on your TV. I am always available to take your commands even when your TV is off. To call me, press the Sirona call button. When you see me on TV or when my presence ding is played on speaker, say your request. Following are some example commands you can use. What is the weather for today? What is for lunch today? What is for dinner tomorrow? I need to go to the bathroom. Ask your provider for commands supported by your community. If you have suggestions or requests for Sirona TV, please share with your provider, and we will do our best to make it available on your Sirona TV. If you want to watch this video again, use the arrow keys to go to Settings and press OK. Navigate to the Help and press OK. This is the first video in the Help app. I look forward to seeing you again.